Walk around historic Ketchikan, the 10 top things to do in Ketchikan, Alaska. Although cruise ships offer fascinating shore excursions around Ketchikan, some visitors might prefer to pick up a map and do a walking tour around the town. The Ketchikan Visitors Bureau provides maps at its convenient location on the waterfront across the street from the historic Welcome to Ketchikan sign, the original of which first arched over Mission Street in the 1920s. Ketchikan has 2 self-guided walking tours. The first is the Downtown Walking Tour, which takes about 2 hours or more, depending on how many times you stop to shop or take photos. This walking tour covers the parks, museums, churches, and historic downtown areas like Creek Street. It starts at the Visitors Center and ends just on the other side of the tunnel at the Casey Moran Harbor. The second walk starts at the Harbor View Park, near the end of the downtown walk, and continues mostly along the waterfront. This tour is longer, and takes at least 2.5 hours, passing by historic homes and businesses.